Hey everyone, I just have a quick little fix to one little problem I had with the last video. When you come up to the edge, see how if I press down on my keyboard, I move up toward the border a little bit, and then when I let go, I bounce back. So what's happening is I put all that clamp code from player movement inside of fixed update. And so with the frame rate of fixed update, I can actually kind of move forward a little bit, and then it clamps me back when I let go. So what I can do is take this chunk of code, and I'm going to cut it out of here. I'm going to move it into just regular update. I'm going to paste it in there. Now if I save that, head back to Unity and reload my game, now I can't push into that border. I'm stuck right on the edge. Alright, so that was just one little fix, and then I'll see you in the next video.